Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to create property line and building pads for our building in Revit. So first of all, we will go to massing and site, and under the modify site, we have the property line. This will define the premises of our property. So we will click the property line, and then it will show us that we have two methods to create a property line, either by creating or entering the distances or the bearings or by sketching method. So we will use the sketching method, and then we will use the rectangle tool or any other tool to draw the premises of our building. So we will start by rectangle, and then we will create a rectangle on the topographic map of our site. After drawing the rectangle, we have to click on the finish edit mode, and this will create a property line, and this will also show us the area of this property in the properties panel. After that, as you can see, the property line cannot be edited. If you want to edit the property line, you have to double click on it, and then you can modify the drawing. The other way to modify the property line is to click on edit table, and once you have the property line table, you can modify the bearings and the distances of the rectangle. So we will cover up this method in another video. Next, we want to create a building pad within the premises of our building. Massing and site, we under the model site, we have to click on building pad, and then we can use the drawing tool. So we will use the rectangle tool, and then we have to select the edit type, and in this area we have to create a pad properties. We will click on duplicate, and we will name our building pad, let's say building 1, and then click OK. After that, we have to click on edit in the structure, and for the structure we have to define the properties. For the pad, we have to define the thickness and the material. So first we will select the material. Let's select cast in place gray concrete. After that, we have to define the thickness. Let's make it 1 feet 5 inches, and then click on OK. Also, we can change some graphics and analytical properties, and then we have to click OK. Then we will start the drawing by using the rectangle tool. First, we have to define the levels, on which level we want to create the pad. So we have second floor, first floor, and foundation. So I want to place the pad on first floor level. Then I will create a rectangle or any shape which will define the pad, and then click on finish edit mode. So the building pad is created, and the excavated area within the topographic map is also shown in this diagram, which is also showing the projected area and the surface area of that topographic map. So if you want to show this building pad in the section view, we can go to section view, and then we have to create a section across this topographic map. The section view are not shown in the site plan or the 3D view, so we have to open first floor, and then we can see this section view. As you can see, the building pad is created, and also the topographic map is also showing. If you change the details to fine and then click on the shaded, you can see the building pad and the excavated area. If you want to place that building pad on some other level, you just have to select this building pad and then change the levels from, let's say, first floor to second floor, and this will change the elevation of that building pad. And this will also create a filling portion on this side. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something. Please hit like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.